What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about fake influencers and how you can spot them on Instagram so you don't get scammed out of your money when you're buying shoutouts and ads. Now unfortunately nowadays hundreds of businesses and brands are getting scammed by influencers with fake followers and fake likes on their profile. Someone who doesn't know too much about Instagram is easily going to be tricked into buying a shoutout off a fake influencer. Now in this video I'm going to hopefully give you a few tips and pointers that are going to help you steer clear from these annoying, shady people that steal money from businesses and brands and even individuals by lying to them about their followers. So hopefully this video helps you out. That being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when thinking about buying from an influencer is you want to check their engagement. Now when I mean check their engagement, check their comments and likes. When you check their comments, you want to see if the comments look genuine, are they real? Are they tagging people, or does it look like these comments are from bots? If it's a comment like cool or awesome or dope or just a smiley face, most of the time they're automated comments from bots. And even when the comments look real and they're related to the post, you've got to check what kind of page it's coming from. If it's coming from another page that's trying to grow on Instagram, which has potentially a large following, it's highly possible that this comment is coming from an engagement group. This means that someone is sharing their post into a specific group and they're all trying to help each other grow by commenting on each other's posts. So they're not necessarily a genuine follower. One of the best things you want to see in the comment section is someone tagging their friends. I think this is the best way to spot natural, authentic engagement. Now what you want to do is check their likes. And when you check their likes, you want to tap on a few of the profiles and see what the profiles look like. If you tap on the profile and they follow like 1,000 people, they have 3 or 4 followers and they don't have any posts or they're on private, they're most likely fake. Also, if you have just a quick scroll through the likes and you see that a lot of them don't actually have a profile picture, it's because, again, they're most likely fake Instagram profiles. Sometimes you can also tell by the usernames because they're just completely random things. But make sure you check the engagement, and that's the comments and the likes. Now, if an influencer reaches out to you and asks you if you want to buy a shout out off them, I tend to not work with these people at all. First of all, because I just think they're money hungry people, and second of all, if they're money hungry, to me, I think that it means that they're not necessarily putting in all the effort on growing their page and engaging with their fans, and it's even possible that they did just buy followers to speed up the whole process of being able to have people buy shoutouts off them. And although Instagram are cracking down on fake influencers' activity and engagement, all that stuff, the problem is that it's still so easy to buy fake likes and fake followers for Instagram. Now, I highly suggest not doing it, especially since Instagram have been cracking down on it. It's highly possible that you'll get your account banned, but there are still a lot of people who manage to buy it and get the fake followers on their profile and scam people out of their money, which frustrates me a lot. So if you want to avoid it, I'm going to suggest something called Hype Auditor. So I'm going to show you on my laptop very quickly a couple of reports and what you get with Hype Auditor. Okay, so right now I'm in Hype Auditor, and now, however, this does cost money. You can get one free, I think, for your account. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just going to quickly show you what you can get. So when you type in your username in the top bar here, for example, here are a couple of my accounts. This is my personal account. You have to have over 1,000 followers to be able to get your account audited by Hype Auditor. But it basically gives you a score on the engagement. So here it says that I've got a score of 84 out of 100, so which is very good. I've got a high engagement rate. It shows me the growth after the past few days, I think. It depends. I can also see what kind of interest my audience has. I can see the average engagement. It tells me how good it is. It tells me the like to comment ratio, if it's any good. Now, although this is good, I don't have 10,000 followers, so I can't see all the details because Hype Auditor only gives you all the extra details to people who have accounts with over 10,000 followers. Now, hopefully all the influencers you're going to work with have over 10,000 followers. But over here, I'm going to show you another account of mine that has 137,000 followers. I'm going to show you everything else you can get. So this one, you can see it has a score of 66. It says it's good. It shows you what countries and what cities, all of that stuff. This is the most interesting part to me, is it shows you the percentage of real followers, suspicious accounts, and then influencers. So basically, influencers are people that have over 5,000 followers. Here you can see it says I got 57% real people, which is really good to me. And then it says there are 17.4% suspicious accounts, which isn't a huge amount. Obviously, some of those are going to be like bot accounts, but some of them are still going to be real. They just look suspicious. Hype Auditor isn't like super accurate. But yeah, you just want to make sure that you have less than 20% of suspicious accounts on your profile. Then it's also going to show you the growth. As you can see for this one, I've got the growth. If you can see in the growth that it dips up all of a sudden, like in one day it gains 1,000 followers, a lot of the time it might be because they bought them. but it could be because they got shout outs in a day. But most of the time, even from shout outs, it kind of like dips up and then it slowly goes up again. But if they bought them, most of the time they'll dip up and then go down. So yeah, you want to check that. You want to check their follower and following graph. Also, if you see their following, you can see if they don't do follow unfollow, so they weren't spammy. And yeah, again, it just gives you the engagement rate, all of that stuff. So if you're planning on working with an influencer, I highly suggest using Hype Auditor. It costs $1 per report. But if you watch this video all the way through to the end, I'm really grateful. So I'm going to give away 10 free reports. So the first 10 people to comment their username in the comment section, hit like on this video and follow me on Instagram at Alec Wilcock. I'm going to heart your account and then message you on Instagram and give you your free report. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I do really appreciate it. I'm just hit 6,000 subscribers. That is awesome. You guys are amazing. I generally can't thank you enough. And yeah, just subscribe for more news, tips and tricks about Instagram. That being said, peace out. With the word now, Hollywood geeking. It's just another Hollywood weekend.